Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to use this effect on your device in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to use any effect or your camera effect and you're facing this type issue that you're unable to use this effect on your device. So basically it happens when your phone or your phone's camera doesn't support the effect which you are using. So unfortunately there is no any possible fix or any exact fix to fix the issue, but you can use a simple method. It might be your problem must be fixed. You just have to open the settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software if you're using any Android. So you have to look for software update on system updates, and you must have to update your software version. So it might be that after updating your issue must be fixed. You can also try to update your app by using your App Store or Play Store, and you have to search for Instagram, and you have to check that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram. If you have find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating your issue, also it might be fixed. Or if it doesn't fix, so unfortunately there is no any fix to fix the issue, that in which way you can use filters on your phone. If you want to use this filter, you just have to switch your phone, or you can use this filter on your friend's phone or on your family's anyone. So after you're using the filter, you can give them back. So you have to borrow a phone for this or using this feature or effect on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.